The South African Revenue Service has only 30 days to implement the Constitutional Court ruling on Tuesday. The highest court in the land ordered SARS to make a new decision on access to former President Jacob Zuma's tax records. The matter relates to a request by the Financial Mail and the AmaBhungane Center for Investigative Journalism to access Zuma's tax records. The two organizations had applied to the High Court to consider the constitutionality of the confidentiality of taxpayer information. They requested Zuma's tax records based on the allegations made by investigative journalist Jacque Pauw in his book, The President's Keepers. The book stated that former President Jacob Zuma was not tax compliant while he was still the president and did not submit his tax returns.
The public interest in the disclosure of the record clearly outweighs the harm contemplated in the provision in question. B. Subsection 69, subsection 2 of the TAA shall be read as if it contained an additional paragraph, open brackets, small b, capital A, close brackets, after the existing paragraph B, reading, where access has been granted for the disclosure of the information in terms of the Promotion of Access to Information Act 2 of 2000.
In its order, the court also gave Parliament 24 months to amend the tax legislation. The Constitutional Court has found that sections of the Tax Administration Act are unconstitutional, reaffirming the judgment by the North Gauteng High Court, which found that the public interest overrides privacy.
The declarations of invalidity in paragraphs 1 and 2 above are suspended for a period of 24 months from the date of this order to enable Parliament to address the constitutional invalidity found to exist.
The AmaBhungane Center for Investigative Journalism welcomed the ruling.
We're very excited about it. We were very pleased that it confirmed the core aspects of the High Court judgment, which was that although we respect the need for taxpayers' secrecy and confidentiality, it is also very important to allow for access in the public interest. And this certainly does not open the floodgates to access to all forms of taxpayers' information, but it is vitally important that the Tax Administration Act is not sort of shielded by total secrecy.
Previously, taxpayer information had always been kept private, but the latest Constitutional Court ruling now means the public can have access, albeit under limited circumstances. SABC News, Johannesburg.